Hey there, this is Christina with WTI, and I want to share with you this heat lamp that we got for our little turtle, Nikki. It is a UVA UVB heat lamp, and from what we read, the turtles or reptiles in general need this so that they can have a replacement for that natural sunlight so that they can build muscle and bone and stay healthy. Take a look at this one. So it has some really cool features. I love that we can swivel the head like so and move it around however we like within her enclosure. It also has a great clamp here that is really strong and stays in place. We're able to turn the lighting on and off, so as well as dim it to how bright or how low we want it. This has really worked out wonderful for us. She seems to be really happy, and we definitely think that it is a wonderful addition. Something else is it came with 3 bulbs, so we're really happy that we have that taken care of for some time. If you're looking for a heat lamp, I definitely would recommend this one, but that's just my point of view.